Hello everyone and welcome to another video from me, and today I want to make an update regarding a tool which I reviewed several months ago, which is this one, the rotary tool from Dspiae with the code ES-P. They call it the electric sander, electric grinder, and it is this one right here. I have made a full unboxing and also testing of this particular tool. You may see that into the other video, which I will leave a link into this video's description if you haven't seen it already. And one of the things that I mentioned that I didn't particularly like was that the chuck. The chuck has a 3mm adapter, and which is not flexible at all. You simply insert a 3mm shaft or tool, whatever, in there, and you use it for that's basically it. Because a smaller diameter will wobble a little bit and a bigger diameter won't do, which is not flexible at all. It is dedicated for the electric, for the burr set, which I have also reviewed into that video, and also for this one, for the polishing set, also made by the same company right there, which is great if you are using this one, because this one has a 3mm shaft at the back, and you simply insert it right there, close, tighten the Allen keys, and you're good to go, because this one has a 3mm shaft. However, that makes it very unflexible when it comes to using it with other things, and I really like this tool, so for me it was important to be able to use it for other things. And a person commented into my other video, Emilio, left a message saying that you can buy separate adapter shanks to make it flexible, and that's exactly what I did. I made an online search and I found this one from AliExpress, and here are the sticker together with the bag that came with it. And there are different brands, different types of this one. The most important thing is that the shaft on the back is a 3mm. Once that is 3mm, it will insert perfectly and it won't be loose or anything, so you will have perfect control over whatever job you are doing. Okay, there are different types. This is the one that caught my eye and it is the one that I bought. Let's install it. And as you can see, it goes all the way through, better for the stability. Tighten the Allen screws once again. And now we are good to go. And we can start using it using a flexible shaft, a flexible bit. Alright, right there. And one thing that I found also very important, once you start tightening it, you have to keep the chuck from rotating, so you have to keep it with your finger and go ahead and tighten. However, when you reach the final tight, it wasn't that easy to keep the chuck from rotating. So one thing I found good was that over here you have this hole, all right here into the adapter, and I found a screwdriver which inserts perfectly inside. So once I'm going to attach a bit or a tool, I insert the screwdriver, hold it from the screwdriver, and tighten or loosen accordingly, however making pressure on the screwdriver, not on the chuck directly. And to begin with, for example, I have these two drill bits, a very small one together with a 3mm one, and beginning by the small one, now it's possible to use it onto this electric sander right away. Okay, and I tighten while holding the screwdriver so that the force is made onto the screwdriver. There we go, fully tightened. And now my once only 3mm rotary tool is flexible enough to accept any type of drill bit. And there we go. It's on, it's rotating, and I can use it as much as I like, because the shank, the adapter shank, is quite firm in place and you won't have any wobble or anything because it fits perfectly. right there. We're loosening it once again, making it force on the screwdriver, and I'm going to open it enough for the 3mm drill bit. This particular adapter shank has a flexibility of 0.3 to 3.4mm, so it's quite a wide range, making it perfect for my hobby, for our use. I open it just a little bit more, tighten, insert the screwdriver, tighten it in place. There we go, and now I can use it with a 3mm drill bit. I could have inserted this one directly into the shaft because it's 3mm, however it's the only diameter of drill bit that fits perfectly inside. However, I can go even more with a 3.4mm drill bit if I want. So, those are the drill bits. How about some tools? Alright, this cutting disc has a smaller diameter. If I had to insert it, it would wobble. Not recommended. And this one has a 3.2mm shaft at the back, so it definitely won't insert directly into the rotary tool. However, thanks to the adapter, I can now work with both of them freely. There we go. And I can start cutting with my Dspiae tool, rotary tool, something which I couldn't have done before. Very good. And finally, I can also show you the, let's open it to the full, the 3.2mm right there. And thanks to the adapter, I can also go ahead and start grinding or sanding without any problem using the adapter. There we go. So that is all from me. I thought of sharing this information with you because I found it really useful. I really like this rotary tool. I wasn't happy with that limitation of a 3mm shaft or bit. However, thanks to this, I can now work freely at whatever diameter I want. I hope you find this video useful. I thank once again Emilio for giving me this suggestion. I really found that useful, and I thought of sharing this information with you all. In fact, I liked it so much that I also got a spare one in case that one got damaged. I immediately have a tool to a replacement to start working once again. That is all from me. I thank you all for watching, and feel free to let me know in the comments below your feedback, your suggestion. I will be much more than happy to learn about your feedback. Thank you, please subscribe, and I will see you into my next video.